welcome to my channel. It's your girl JQ. Today I'm going to be baking a 7-Up pound cake from scratch. The ingredients that you're going to need are some cake flour, 3 sticks of butter, 5 eggs, some 7-Up, some vanilla extract, some lemon extract, some sugar, also some Pam spray from your butt pan. So right here you see me just adding in my butter. Make sure you add 3 sticks of butter to your mixing bowl. Next, you're going to add your 3 cups of sugar. See, I'm trying to get my life together over there. I should have had my sugar inside my little mixing cup or whatever. But yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to do. 3 cups of sugar and 3 things of butter. Did I just say cup? I'm tripping. Bam. Now we're going to mix it. Mix. Make sure you mix that butter with that sugar. Then we're going to add our eggs. Remember, we have 5 eggs. So what I like to do is I like to add 1 egg at a time, just so I can make sure that that 1 egg is incorporated with that I can't talk, with the batter. Next, I'm going to be adding my 2 extracts. So I have some vanilla extract, and then I'm going to be adding in the lemon extract. So make sure you use 1 teaspoon of each extract. That was the vanilla, and then now this is the lemon extract. Hopefully I'm saying that word right too. Mix. Next, we're going to be adding in our cake flour. So you are going to need 3 cups of cake flour and then your 1 cup of 7-Up. So I add a little bit of cake flour, then I add a little bit of 7-Up. If you don't have cake flour, you can use regular flour if you want to. I just like using the cake flour because it makes the cake more soft. To me, regular flour makes it kind of tough. I'm not sure. That's just my opinion. You can use either or, cake flour or regular flour. So right here, I'm taking my spatula and I'm pushing everything into the middle, because when you pour the flour in there, the flour like to travel to the sides or whatever. So yeah, I'm just taking my spatula and just moving them back inside the batter. Next, I'm going to be greasing my baking dish, my baking pan, the bundt pan, with the non-sticking spray Pam or butter Pam. It may look like a lot, but it's not. Yeah, so that's really about it. So basically how you make a 7-up pound cake is you just need your 3 sticks of butter, your 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 5 eggs, 1 cup of 7-up, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and that's about it. I had to do a taste test one time. That was good. I had to do it 2 times. Then I gave my kids the bowl. You know how that go. When you're younger, your parents or your grandparents used to give you the bowl after they got done making the cake. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375. Bake for 40 minutes. I'm about to place this bad boy in the oven. After 40 minutes, this is what it looked like. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, right here you see I'm struggling. I don't know why I thought that I can I can film with one hand and try to take the cake out with the other. It was not working. I was struggling. So I had my daughter come help me. I'm like, come on, hey, come get this camera. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you. Bye. Look how beautiful this cake came out.